Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our first math class. We shall start lesson 6.2, one-step equations with rational coefficients. The learning intentions for today: you will solve one-step equation using addition or subtraction, multiplication or division. If you remember, we have studied an algebraic expression. Recall what is an expression. Now we shall study equations. What is an equation? An equation is something that looks like this. You have algebraic expressions on both the sides with an equal to sign in the middle. This is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. Today we shall solve one-step equations. As the name suggests, a one-step equation involves only one step. To solve these equations, we will use inverse operations. What is an inverse operation? If your equation has a positive operation, a plus operation, you will use minus. The inverse of plus is minus. In the same way, if it has a negative, you will add. The inverse for minus is plus. Let us see how to solve one-step equations using plus or minus as the inverse operations. I have used examples from the worksheet. The first sum, 3 plus m equals 21. This is your equation. You will solve this equation to get the solution. The solution means the value of the variable. To do this, you must isolate the variable. You must isolate the variable. What does isolate mean? Bring the variable alone to one side. When you do this, you will be able to get the solution. Now let's go back to our equation. 3 plus m equals 21. If you see, the math operation between 3 and m is addition. It's plus. The inverse for plus is minus. Okay? I need to keep this m, the variable m, alone on one side. So I will minus 3 from both the sides of an equation. What operation you do on one side, you should follow the same operation on the other side of the equation to balance the equation. So I minus 3 from both the sides. 3 minus 3 cancels off. It becomes 0. M remains equal to 21 minus 3, which is 18. So the solution of my equation is m equals 18. The value of the variable m is 18. In the same way, we will do sum number 2. 242 equals b minus 18. In this equation, the operation between b and 18 is minus. You will use the inverse of minus. What is the inverse for minus? plus. Okay, so you are going to add 18 on both the sides. When I add 18 to both the sides, plus 18 and minus 18 cancel off. It's equal to 0. I have b alone on this side. I have been able to isolate b on one side. 242 plus 18 is 260. This is my solution, the value of b equal 240. So this is how you are going to solve one-step equation using addition and subtraction. Try the sums in the worksheet based on addition and subtraction. Good luck.